Quiet, please. I see people in the restaurants speaking very loud. I go to weddings, I see the songs and dances played at very loud, noise levels, more than 80 decibel now. And on the roads, people are honking. Please, quiet, please. Noise pollution has a lot of harmful effects on your body. It can almost affect every system. It can affect the ears, it can cause tinnitus, it can cause hearing loss, it can cause palpitations, it can cause heart disease, it can cause anxiety, and it causes a whole lot of things. So, noise pollution can be very harmful. Quiet, please.